The sky is about to go dark over Spain, but the ground is already on fire. A total solar eclipse. At one point, 5 million people descended on the countryside. Temperatures hitting 40 degrees. Wildfires are already burning. 35,000 officers deployed for a celestial moment. When wonder meets danger, can Spain keep the lights on? As Spain battles raging wildfires, another challenge is fast approaching from the skies. The country is rolling out a massive police operation and public safety campaign ahead of a rare total solar eclipse on August 12th, which coincides with one of its most dangerous fire seasons. Virginia Barconés, Secretary General for Civil Protection and Emergencies at Spain's Interior Ministry, told Reuters that more than 35,000 officers will be deployed as part of a major security operation aimed at minimizing risks associated with large gatherings in natural areas, including fires sparked by discarded cigarettes.
We've had an extremely tough summer in Spain, with yet another series of major forest fires. That's why we must restrict any kind of activity that could generate a spark.
A command center in Madrid, seen by Reuters, will coordinate nationwide monitoring efforts alongside regional authorities as millions gather to witness the celestial event. The total solar eclipse, visible in full only from Spain and Iceland on Wednesday evening, is expected to draw huge crowds and highlights how climate change is increasingly complicating the management of major outdoor events. Several Spanish regions remain under alerts issued by weather agency EMET, with temperatures forecast to reach 40 degrees Celsius, 104 degrees Fahrenheit, and wildfire danger rated as high or very high. Spain, along with France and Greece, has already endured heat waves and destructive blazes this summer as much of Europe faces increasingly dry conditions. According to Spain's Environment Ministry, 3 major fires were still burning in the provinces of Huelva, Segovia, and Huesca by Monday evening. So far this year, flames have consumed around 200,000 hectares, 6 times the area burned by the same point in 2025. Concerns over the risks have prompted some communities to launch their own awareness campaigns, urging visitors to stay away from environmentally sensitive areas. In Buitrago de Lozoya, a town of 2,000 residents north of Madrid, local environmental group Monte en Pie, Keeping Woodlands Alive, staged a protest against eclipse-related activities planned near forested land. The nearby town of Tres Cantos cancelled all Eclipse Day events because of safety concerns. Nevertheless, around 3,000 people, including regional leaders from Madrid, are still expected at an observation site near Buitrago. Members of Monte en Pie warn that while the eclipse will last only a few minutes, the consequences of a large blaze could remain for decades. Authorities estimate that roughly 1.5 million people could be travelling on Eclipse Day, many heading toward rural areas in northwestern and central Spain that lie along the path of totality. National and local governments have launched extensive public information campaigns through traditional and social media, warning visitors against parking in unauthorized locations, leaving litter, using barbecues, or entering highly vulnerable countryside areas. Despite the warnings, enthusiasm for the eclipse remains strong. Travel platform Booking.com reported that foreign searches for inland cities such as Burgos and Soria have more than tripled, while Amadeus data showed bookings to the northern region of Asturias have surged 292% compared with a year ago.
Simo Villahermosa ha copiado comunicación. Escotxes, allà davant. Els medios aéreos en población.
Villahermosa, Chimo Villahermosa ha copiado comunicación.
Escotxes, allà davant. Els medios aéreos en población.
Villahermosa, Chimo Villahermosa ha copiado comunicación.
Escotxes, allà davant. Els medios aéreos en población.